Welcome. I'm sure how to solve this question. A baker makes 10 dozen loaves of 10 dozen loaves a day. Supposed to be a day. If he does not work on Sundays, how many loaves will be made in 6 weeks? Or will he make in 6 weeks? First, he make 10 dozen loaves. Wetin be 10 dozen? Remember, say a dozen. 1 dozen DZN. 1 dozen equals 12. 12 pieces. Now they make 1 dozen. You get? So they say in they make 10 dozen. So in they make 10 dozen. So you go say 10 dozen. So since in they make 10 dozen, you can go down and say 12 times 10. Notice say your answer will be 120. You get 120. You get. So in they make 120 every day. So we'll call this one wares. 130 wares per day. PD. Per day. Next, they say if, see this question, follow me, you know hard. If he does not work on Sundays, they work on Sundays. We can't go talk about week now. We don't finish dozen. They work on Sundays. How many days dey 1 week? 7 days equals 1 week. You dey see am? It's simple. That's what they do for your nursery school. 7 days make 1 week. You don't see where they go use them here. So 7 days makes 1 week. But they say they work on Sundays. So we go need to minus 1 days. But first, more complete the question. They say if it doesn't work on Sundays, abi. So if they work on Sunday, that's now 6 days in the work in a week be that. So his own week now 6 days make 1 week. So for him, 6 days equal to 1 week. Equals to 1 week for him. Going back to our question again. If it doesn't work on a Sunday, we don't complete that one. 6 days make 1 week for him. How many loaves will he make in 6 weeks? How many loaves he go don't make for 6 weeks? So you will come down again. You can say, notice we supposed to use 7 days make 1 week, but we will use 6 days make 1 week. But they can't say how many in 6 weeks. So if they do they work 6 days in 6 weeks, you can say to get the total number of his working days. Total number of working days. TNWD will equal 6. 6 days, this 6 days times from our equation 6 weeks. When work. What you go get? You get 6 times 6. What you go give us? 6 times 6 times 36. So in the work that don't work 36 days. Now our main question, they say how many loaves will be made in 6 weeks? How many loaves he don't make for a total of 6 weeks? Now you can end your solving. Hard. You could say this they make 120 loaves per day, and it don't work for 36 days. You go just multiply the both of them. Now you see it's simple. You could say 120 times 36. Your answer will give you, might punch my own calculator here, 4320. So 4,320 loaves. Now go make. So we go make 4,320 loaves in 6 weeks. Since they work for 6 days in a week. Now we'll go back. Our answer did there. Yes, option B. Now be our answer. If you don't solve, reach this position, you don't try. Now I would like to give you just one question. May you solve. I go read out the question here. I get the question here. I go read them out. A baker makes 2 dozen loaves a day. If he does not work on Saturdays and Sunday. How many loaves will he make in 6 weeks? How many loaves will he make in 6 weeks? That's question 1. Question 2. A baker makes 4 dozen loaves a day. If he does not work on Wednesdays, Saturdays and Sundays, how many loaves will he make in 8 weeks? Those are the 2 tasks I go on make you solve. Lastly, I go on remind you say we dey run daily classes, calculation classes to help you prepare for your next exam. If after watching this video you get interest and you want join the class, I go on make you hit me up on WhatsApp. Well, I go leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box of this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next video.